In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TikTok affiliates for your product on Kalodata. First, open your browser and search for Kalodata. You're looking for the official site, so double-check the URL and make sure you're landing on a secure page that clearly references Kalodata's analytics for TikTok. This helps you avoid lookalike sites or ads that can lead you elsewhere. Once you see the correct result, click through to the main site. The homepage should load quickly and show you navigation options that include products, creators, and analytics features. If anything looks off, return to the results and try the next official-looking link. Now, log in with your account credentials. After you're in, you'll be able to access the dashboards and tools we'll use to find partners who can promote your products effectively on TikTok. Head to the Product tab. Use the search bar to look for items similar to yours and pay attention to those with high sales volume or strong gross merchandise value. The closer the match to your category and price point, the more relevant the insights will be. Click into a high-performing product to open its detail page. Here, you'll see which creators are driving the most revenue for that specific item. This is a goldmine for discovering who already knows how to sell in your niche. Review the creator metrics carefully. Look at their total revenue, number of items sold, and how their videos performed for that product. Strong engagement, likes, comments, shares, and consistent views often signals trust and buying intent from their audience. Next, switch to the Creator tab to use advanced filters. These filters let you pinpoint potential partners by performance criteria so you can focus on creators who meet your sales and engagement goals. Refine further with niche filtering by selecting your product category. This narrows your list to influencers who already speak to your ideal customers and keeps you from wasting time on mismatched audiences. Set your engagement thresholds. A great starting point is key opinion consumers with 5,000 to 100,000 followers. This range often balances authenticity, responsiveness, and cost while still delivering strong conversions. If you're working at scale, Kalodata allows you to export creator lists with contact information to a CSV. That makes it easy to manage outreach, track status, and collaborate with your team. Click into a creator's profile to locate their business email or Instagram handle. Always verify the contact details on multiple sources when possible. Once you've built your list, reach out with a clear collaboration proposal that includes your pitch, product samples, or terms for sending them, and tracking details so you can measure results accurately. This structured approach will help you secure the right TikTok affiliates and grow your product sales with confidence.